Okay, up next natin, Team Republic versus Tacosa, aking team, Kapatid.
Rodriguez, number 71. Veronica.
Segregation natin. Main 1 ha? Okay.
Hotspot. At kusang
Cash or pinatid na ko? Cash. Tapusa!
One point. Team Republic.
Basket, count. Ulit. Okay, it's game time. Team Republic versus Tacosa. Jump ball between Malik and number 11.
Ball position. Team Republic.
Coronica, dumidiskarte. Wala nga lang nakuha ni number 11. Putback. Basket para kay number 11.
Thank you.
24. Dribbling the ball.
Bradesina, pass it to Manil.
35 to number 0 to number 02.
Santa Romana for 3. Wala nga lang nakuha ni
Rebound by number 20. 11 to
Nora.
Sabado Domingo lang.
to Salip.
Sarip, pass it to Nora sa ilalim. Wala nga lang nakuha.
Rebound by number 25. So good. 24. 24. Dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball.
Bradesina,
17 to shoot.
Padilla for 3. Wala nga lang overshoot.
Sarip. Bounce pass to Sambas. So good. Rebound by number 24. Dribbling the ball. Directing the traffic. Pass to 25. After the shoot. No good. Rebound by number 0.
Delikado pa yun.
Dumanyil, basket para kay Dumanyil. 2 points. Alright.
In favor of Team Republic. Dora. Pass to Coronica.
Coronica,
Points.
easy 2 points para kay Coronica. Alright.
Cross the court. 17 to shoot.
Santa Romana for 3. Wala nga lang nakuha ni Sarip. Binababa yung bola.
Sarip. Number 25 intercepted by Olalaw, number 25.
Okay, solong-solo para kay Dumanyil.
Oy, my good.
Sayang, wala.
Rebound by Coronica to Sarip. Sarip crossover. Oy, what a nice pass. No good. Rebound by number 24.
Malik, Dumanyil.
Number 25. Connect 2 points. Number
2 points para kay Dumanyil.
Nora, dribbling the ball. To Sarip. 20 to shoot. 15 to shoot.
Nora,
Triple threat. At the middle. Oops.
being harassed. Malik,
Number 0.
umikot.
Nora dribbling the ball. Looking for his companion to Rodriguez to Nora. To Sarip. Attempt. No good. Sarip.
Reverse layup, basket para kay
2
Sarip.
points. Sarip. Number 24 was Rodriguez. Number 3. 0.
Malik for 3.
For free. No good.
Bradesina, putback.
Points.
Basket para kay Bradesina.
Rodriguez. Sarip. Rodriguez. Sarip.
Coronica, pass it to Kakampi, naka-intercepted.
Pass break to number 3.
Outlet pass para kay Santa Romana. Umangat. Wala nga lang.
Out. Mr. number 3.
Santa Romana, first free throw.
One point.
1 out of 2 para kay Santa Romana.
Mr. Rodriguez to Nora.
Nora, wala nga lang nakuha ni Bradesina.
24 to number 03. Back. Intercepted by number 11. 11 ahead to Coronica.
Coronica all alone. Ay, sayang, wala nga lang.
No good. 0-3 to number 24. 24 cross over to number 25.
Dumaniel, jumper, kanya pa rin. Second try, wala. Bradesina, umangat.
Yes,
Basket
to point.
para kay
Number
Bradesina.
55 seconds.
Sarip, pinitpit yung bola.
Rip to point.
Nice basket para kay Sarip.
Uy, fast break. Ito number 24. 24. Crossover to number 77. Padilla. No good.
Padilla, umangat.
No good.
Wala pa rin.
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez for 3.
No good.
Time out kami, time out, time out. Number 11. Jumper, basket. Time out. Takos ako. Alright.
5 seconds.
Walang sabto.
Score 9-12 in favor of Team Republic.
Takusa. No more timeout. Takusa.
From the
20 seconds to shoot.
Bradesina. Pasito Dumaniel.
17 seconds to shoot.
Santa Romana. Jumper. Wala nga lang. Rebound
Rebound by
ni Sarip. Out that pass.
To Nora. Nora bounce pass to Rodriguez. Intercepted by number 77. No good. Rebound by 24. Intercepted.
Dumaniel.
Yes.
Visito points para kay Dumaniel.
Kapon.
18 to shoot.
Halungan.
15 to shoot. Nora. Block. Uy.
Foul committed
Wow.
by Team Bradesina.
Foul jersey number 24.
Nora, first free throw.
1
Basket.
point. Mr. Nora. Second throw.
Okay, 2 for 2 para kay Nora. Alright.
Time, 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Score, 11 against 14.
Balik, pasito Santa Romana. Santa Romana.
Foul. Foul. Second team foul. Republic.
First free throw ni Santa Romana. No
First
basket.
throw, no good.
prompted the driver to slow down. Officials said crossing operators
Second free throw.
warning
1 point.
1 out of 2 para kay Santa Romana.
barrier.
Intercepted. 19 to shoot.
18 kilometers per hour.
Number 11, fake. Rolling, no good. Rebound by number Coronica. First personal foul, second team foul.
Coronica, first free throw. Basket.
1 point, Mr. Coronica. Score, 12 against 15. Last throw. No good.
1 out of 2 para
34.
kay Coronica. Bradesina, binababa yung
24,
bola.
directing the traffic. Number 0, step back, no good.
Bradesina for 3.
No good. Number 11. Oops.
Bradesina, inbounding the ball.
To Radio Thailand News.
Dumaniel.
Number 25, fake, jump shot, oh, what's the correct? 25.
Personal.
Number 11, second personal foul.
Score
13
12-15.
foul.
Team Republic.
First throw, no good.
Dumaniel, first free throw, no good.
Jersey number 25. Second throw.
Pangalawang free throw.
1 point.
Basket. 1 out of 2 para kay Dumaniel.
Score, 12 against 15. 13. Nora to Rodriguez to Nora.
Nora, nice layup para kay Nora.
What a nice pass. 17 to shoot.
Malik,
15 to shoot. Number 24.
Bradesina for 3. Bang, bang, bang para kay Bradesina.
Rodriguez. Oops, intercepted by number 0. Number 0 running and crossing the ball all the way to the rim.
Nice
2 points.
drive para kay Malik. Alright, kakampi ko yun.
The ball pass to
Ayun, ayun.
intercepted again. And then Nora, by the way. No good. Rebound line. 38 seconds.
Coronica. Sarip.
10 seconds to shoot.
Sarip pas
7
ito.
seconds
Ay,
to shoot. Turn
Last ball.
Republic.
Malik, tumidiskarte. Pas ito.
Nice pass to Padilla.
Padilla, umangat.
Oops.
Basket para kay Padilla.
I'm out. Republic.
Alright, time out. Team Republic. Score, 2017.
Takuza, 3-team foul.
Takosa ang may kalabangan. Alright. Sarip, pas ito. Coronica for 3. Wala nga lang, nakuha ni number 11.
14 to shoot. Rodriguez.
Rodriguez. Coronica.
To Veronica. To Sarip.
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 Jumper, wala. Nakuha ni... Sarip.
Boy.
Reverse layup. Basket para kay Sarip. Imeno, pas ito. Bradesina.
The ball. 15 seconds to shoot.
Malik. Jimeno for 3. Basket. 3 points para kay Jimeno. Alright.
Seconds. 17 to shoot. Rodriguez. 19.
Nora.
To Rodriguez.
Rodriguez.
No good. Ribaba. What's the call? Number 24, give me a ball. To number 0. Number 0 penetrating.
Malik. Umangat.
Number 11, third personal foul.
Malik, first free throw.
Penalty. Team Republic.
Wala nga lang.
First shot, no good.
Pogi lang, wala shooting! Pogi lang, wala shooting!
Pangalawang free throw.
Ay, sabay, sabay, sabay!
When the essential games necessary.
Pangalawang free throw. Wala pa rin.
Number 11. 11.
Ay, amin, amin!
Coronica.
Monica, look at yun o. Hang time! Oops.
Sarip. Dumidiskarte. Sarip. Pinitpit yung bola. No basket.
Ball throw.
Sarip. Unang free throw. No basket.
Avoiding swimming call. And back.
Last throw for Mr. Sarip.
Pangalawang free throw.
Boy,
Basket.
Mr. Sarip.
1 out of 2 para kay Sarip. Dumaniel. Pull up J. Basket para kay Dumaniel. Alright.
25.
Ayun o.
34.
Padilla.
No good. Same rebound.
Malik. Umangat. Basket para kay Malik.
To Sarip. Sarip to no number 11. Sambas. Rebound by number 24. 24. Intercepted by number Nora. Nora. Coronica. No good.
Last 16 seconds for the first quarter. Nora inbounding the ball.
Sarip to Mr. Nora. 12 seconds.
Number 11.
Sambas. No good. Garrison rebound. 7 seconds. 1.
Okay, that's it for the first quarter action.
Time for the first period. Score 27 against 20 in favor of Takusa.
Alright. Shoutout sa ating referee natin. Si Bro Sherwin. Ay. Shoutout sa ating referee natin. Si CY Bugto, Alan Yil Bugto, at saka si Bro Batang Perk. Alright.
1,000.
Blue ball, blue ball. Good, good.
No, hindi.
Alright.
Wala silang ulo.
Okay na. Okay, Roy. Okay na tayo.
Lapitan mo!
Kahuya to Mr.
Monaco for 3.
Atay for 3.
Dagan, bay! Dagan!
Number 17. Got his own rebound.
Ay!
Nice pass. To the opponent.
Lapitan mo, Fulgos! Lapitan mo!
Coles.
Mr. Coles to Coronica.
Coronica.
17 shoot.
Monaco. Nakuha ni Janggat. Janggat. Nagmamadali. Pasito. Coco. Coco pa rin. Coco for the second try. Basket para kay Coco.
To Mr. Sarip.
Sarip, jumper.
So good.
Challenge!
Coronica. 12 to shoot.
Coronica for 3.
So good.
Hoy,
Mr.
pass
Coles.
out! Walang pass out!
Sarip.
Sarip. Pingaliwa. And 1 para kay Sarip.
Mr. Sarip. First personal foul, first team foul. Lupot. Bonus throw.
Box out
From
muna,
Mr.
bago
Sarip.
talon!
Sarip. Bonus free throw. Basket.
1 point
Kompleto yung 3-point play ni Sarip.
Combining
Hingi ng shooting!
Pahilan.
background check.
Coco for 3. Walang alang nakuha ni
Mr. Coles to Sarip.
Tahuya.
Pahuya behind the back. Hey! 18.
Bangko! Si Trev!
Veronica.
Tahuya.
To Coles.
Coles.
Short jumper.
Basket para kay Coles.
Points, Mr. Coles. Bailan using the wall. Bailan.
Pakilan.
Not the correct.
Pinoy step.
Traveling.
Extra step. Alright.
Tahuya to Sarip. Lock shot.
Good!
11. To blue ball.
Dukot na madali pasa kay Janggat. Basket.
Babagan!
Tahuya.
Monaco pumeke.
Fake. Grabe na fake.
Sige na!
Monaco first free throw. Basket para kay
1 point.
Monaco.
Score 33-26. Remaining time 7 minutes 21 seconds. Monaco.
1 out of 2 para kay Monaco.
Global supply chain and causing shortages of a wide range.
Coles sa ilalim. Basket para kay Coles. 2 points. Alright.
8.
O, 5 na lang! Score tayo!
Pahilan. Bumitin. Pasa kay Dukot. Dukot. Bumangat. Basket. 2 points para kay Dukot. Alright.
Sarip.
Habang!
What's the correct? Public 17 to shoot.
Wag! Tao!
6 minutes and 38 seconds.
Sarip inbounding the ball. Pass it to Dahuya for 3. Walang alang.
Di ba mga Coronica?
Coronica putback. Wala. Nakuha ni Alaan. Pahilan. Binababa yung bola.
Thailand.
Pahilan. Dumidiskarte. Pahilan. Nawala yung bola.
Coles to
Baba na! Baba!
Tahuya to Coronica.
Coronica.
Tahuya to...
Ayan o. Nice scoop shot para kay Dahuya. 2 points.
6 minutes.
Kailang, pwesto muna!
17 to shoot.
Pahilan. Dumidiskarte.
15 to shoot.
Pass it to Dukot. Dukot. Baseline drive. Shot. basket para kay Tukot. Alright.
Mr. Duko. Sharif.
Baba!
70 to shoot. Veronica.
Veronica. First free throw ni Veronica. No basket.
Bonus throw.
Back out!
Counted.
Back out muna! Back out! Bago talon! Back out!
Last throw for Mr. Veronica.
Second free throw. No basket.
Mr. Bailan.
Habol na! Ikaw na
Moving the ball.
mag-adjust!
17 to shoot.
Janggat for 3.
No good. Dugot.
Dukot. And basket para kay Dukot.
Sige na!
Isito points.
Baba na!
Monica, dinababa yung bola.
Monaco crossing the court.
Monica, ayun. Na-intercepted ni
17 to Bailan.
Pahilan. Binitbit yung bola. Alright. Isito points para kay Pahilan.
Sarip. In and out the ball. To Monaco. To Pahuya. Intercepted by number 11.
Time out. Blue team. Team Republic.
Blue ball.
Flash years of
Score 41-30 in favor of Tacosa. Alright.
Huwag kayong magtagal, pinapadaan ninyo eh.
Williamson.
Dito, ganyan o. Ganyan lang.
Stress na tayo!
Ngayon, pag diba, nagpa-cover siya dito.
Mays flash PMRs.
Back to the ball game.
Dahoya inbounding the ball. Pass ito Sarip. Sarip tumidiskarte. Dahoya. Veronica. Monico.
Monaco. Jumper. Ibaba number 13. Oh.
Nice!
Very good.
Good shot!
12 seconds to shoot.
Alaan for 3.
Bang!
Walang-alang nakuha ni Sarip.
Baba na!
Veronica.
Veronica.
Veronica giving the ball. Pass to Goles.
Goles.
Goles. Spin move.
Goles.
Attempt 2. No good.
Goles inbounding the ball. Pass it to Veronica.
Veronica.
Kapitan mo na!
10 seconds to shoot.
Goles for 3. Walang-alang nakuha ni Poco.
Already operating.
Ako po!
Dukot. Nagmamadali. Dukot.
Bounce back.
Nabitawan.
Sige na! Bawi!
Sarip to Goles.
Goles.
To Monaco.
Monico.
Monaco. No good.
Rebound by Dukot. Foul. Dukot inbounding the ball. Pass it to Pahilan.
Bigay!
10 seconds to shoot. Official time, 2 minutes and 50 seconds for the second quarter. Sarip.
Sarip. Sarip umikot, umangat. Basket para kay Sarip.
Basket count for
And
Mr.
one.
Sarip.
Alright.
Foul, jersey number 17.
Support 41 in
Sarip, bonus free throw. No basket.
Rebound by Mr. Dukot. To Palos. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Dukot intercepted by Veronica. Veronica. on the
Veronica.
way.
Yun o, easy 2 points para kay Veronica.
Number 17 to 13.
Dukot.
All the way. Hop. 13.
Security challenges.
Dukot, first free throw.
Core Thailand's effort to assure stability and security.
No good.
No
First
basket.
attempt.
Sige lang!
Second attempt for jersey number 13. Score 41-34 in favor of Takuja. Last goal.
Second free throw.
And S-Cap.
Wala.
Rebound by Sarip.
Baba na muna!
17 to shoot.
10, 41-34. Takosa.
Years in the field of political and
2 shots plus ball position.
safety.
Coco, technical free throw, wala nga lang.
Coco! Ano na, isang tayo na referee ah.
It's more established.
Coco!
Areas of ordinance provide safe.
Pangalawang technical free throw, wala pa rin.
Second ball, no good.
Last ball possession ang Takosa.
For the Spurs half.
Exercises that reinforce stability to preparedness.
20 to shoot. Balot.
Halaan.
17. Sarip.
Sarip first free throw. Basket para kay Sarip.
Mr. Number 19. Last throw.
Stage experience
2 points, Mr. Sarip.
2
Benita.
para kay
1 minute and 55 seconds.
Sarip.
17 to shoot. Alan.
Halaan.
Jumper, no good. Rebound by number 17. Walan. Intercepted by Coronica. 3 seconds violation.
One visit.
Oles. 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 Asking for a string. 15 to shoot.
Coles, umangat.
Good. Rebound by number 11.
Sarip, umangat.
19,
Basket para kay Sarip.
Connecting points. Dukot.
Dukot.
53 seconds.
Umikot, umangat.
49 seconds. 17. Bag. Pass to Balot. 2 points. Last 35 seconds. Pahuya. 2 points. Pahuya. 23 seconds. Thailand. Wala. College rebound. Last 17 seconds. 14 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, that's it.
End of the first half. Score 41 against 40.
The most famous is attack.
Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter action.
Back to the ball game.
Score 41-40. Takosa.
24. 24 to 11.
Pahilan for 3. Wala nga lang.
8 seconds! 8 seconds!
Uy, agawan! 2 points number
Nice
24.
steal para kay Bradesina.
Taking the ball. Pass to Mr. Dam.
Sarip.
Sarip.
Sarip umangat. Finger roll. Basket para kay Sarip.
Connect 2 points. Ayan.
Balik. Tumidiskarte.
12 seconds to shoot.
Pahilan. Dukot for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Para kay Dukot.
Dukot. Pahuya.
Kahuya.
Pahuya, lagi isa, lawan sa tatlo. Rebound by number 24. Looking the ball. 24 looking for his teammate. 225. Foul.
Dumaniel. Basket. Easy 2 points para kay Dumaniel. Kahuya.
Pahuya.
Ay, nagkatawan.
8 minutes. 30 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Bradesina. Dukot.
10 seconds to shoot.
Dukot. Baseline drive. Wala nga lang. Bradesina. Dukot.
5 seconds to shoot.
Pahilan. Pumeke. Pahilan. Umangat.
Teardrop.
Basket para kay
Mr. Pailan.
Pahilan.
To Rodriguez. Attempt for 3.
Rodriguez for 3.
No good. Rebound by number 13, Lukot. Number 0. Number 0.
Balik, tuloy-tuloy. Pasa kay Pahilan. Pahilan.
11.
Basket para kay Pahilan.
Mr. Poles. Oh, ang lamang ng 12 seconds to shoot.
Coles, dumidiskarte.
10 seconds to
Coles,
shoot.
umangat.
2 points, Mr. Poles, time out.
2 points using the glass para kay Coles.
Number 24. 7 minutes and 12 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Malik, dumidiskarte.
12 seconds to shoot.
Freddy Sina.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 25.
Dumaniel.
Connect 2 points.
Jumper, basket para kay Dumaniel.
Score 54-44. 15 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot.
Coles, jumper, wala. Nakuha ni Dukot. Outlet pass para kay Malik. Malik.
All the way.
Easy 2 points para kay Malik.
Mr. Pahuya. Oy, intercepted by number 24. 24. Number 25.
Dumaniel.
Oles. Oles to Team Republic. Time remaining 6 minutes and 17. Score 56-44. Brave ball. 14-24. Last touch, straight.
Malik.
8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2, 1. Good. Mr. Sambas, foul.
Takbo ba? Edwin? Ha? Takbo ka?
Sige, mamaya.
Wala.
Cannot quit.
Puta, baka tapos na.
Last throw.
Third quarter pa lang naman to, di ba?
Nice foul!
Lapitan mo muna, huwag ka munang ano.
Dukot.
Nice.
2 points.
2 points para kay Dumaniel.
Dora. Team foul. Takuza. Intercepted.
Malik, nagmamadali. Ayan, tuloy-tuloy. Basket para kay Malik. Dumaniel. Umeke, umangat.
Poles rebound.
Oy, pushing! Ayaw
Mr. Poles giving the ball. Number 25, Mr. Nora. Wow!
Rodriguez sa ilalim. Basket para kay Rodriguez.
Time out. Time out. Takuza. 4 minutes and 53. Score 60 against 46. Takuza, 2 team fouls. Number 0. Intercepted by Rodriguez. Mag-isa. No good. Rebound by 27. 25.
Dumaniel, umangat.
Airball. Mr. Nora. To Mr. Nora. Nora receiving the ball behind the back. All the way, 2 points, Mr. Nora. Number 24, dribbling the ball. Reserve sublet. 24, 16 to shoot. Balos for 3.
Coco for 3.
No good. Rebound by Monico. Intercepted by number 24. Number 0. Number 24, fake. Step back. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. 11, pass break. To Rodriguez. Turnover. 3 seconds. 17 to shoot. 12 to shoot. intercepted by 8 seconds to shoot.
Malik, umangat.
Nice.
Idomba, basket para kay Malik.
The ball. Sub. Reserve.
Monaco for 3.
Padilla to Mr. Number 24. So Malik.
Balik, tuloy-tuloy. Basket para kay Malik.
To Mr. Lambas. To Nora.
Nora sa ilalim, easy 2 points.
Mr. Malik. Over to Garcina.
Mightiest display
12 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds on the shot clock.
is actually the youngest of 6 volcanoes.
Ay, sorry.
Ngayon na ball three.
Jimeno, for 3, wala nga lang.
Years ago,
Monaco,
Monaco.
Nora.
To Nora. To
Monaco, umangat. Basket para kay Monaco.
Intercepted by Nora. 2 points. Nora. Back to back basket for the Republic. Jimeno giving the ball to number 17. What's the problem? Republic. 2 shots. Number 77. First throw.
Padilla, first free throw.
No good.
ORG
Basket not count. Second throw for Mr. Padilla.
You is wearing red.
1 minute and 30 seconds for the third quarter.
Second free throw. Wala pa rin.
This evening, you get home.
Rebound by number 17. Carvalho for 3.
Poco for 3.
No good. Number 17, 2 points.
Boss, dito ka na. Sige mo kay Malik.
Mena to Malik. Malik. Oh, spin move.
Nice move
2
para
points,
kay
Mr.
Malik.
Matakot.
Veronica, half set, no good. Rebound by Mr. Malik.
Tayo mo muna.
Mr. Malik, tumatakbo. Kasama si Mr. Jimeno.
Jimeno for 3.
So good. Rebound by Rodriguez to Monaco. To Mr. Zambas. Zambas bounce pass to... First throw, no good.
Sablay talaga kuya, sablay.
First throw, no good.
Bubo, bakit lang.
Last throw for Mr. Nora.
Bakit.
Last 37 seconds. 37. 1 point, Mr. Nora.
1 out of 2 para kay Nora.
It's Warren.
Tira, pasa!
Nora, lays in. Wala nga lang.
Same ball.
Rodriguez for 3.
No good. Seconds, 27.
Bola.
Right, Poco, drive.
17 to shoot.
Poco,
Ball
nice
fake.
fake.
2 points,
Alright.
Mr. Valos. No more shot clocks. 15.
Malaki na. Nice.
5, 4, 3!
Mr. Sambas. No good. 3 seconds.
Oh, boss, mamaya. Okay, that's it. That's it for the third quarter. All right.
70-55.
Nice play. Score
Like to acknowledge
70-55. Takosa. All right. End of the third quarter action.
Talat
Okay, mamaya.
players insert.
Relax. Kompleto na.
Jersey insert.
Hindi, kompleto na. Mamaya. Papalit ako.
Jersey insert. Game ball. Jersey insert.
Padilla.
Jersey
Ay.
insert.
Hindi, pasok ka na.
Jersey insert. Jersey insert. number 24. 15 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Jumper. Veronica.
Veronica.
2 points, Mr. Veronica. Mr. Padilla.
Padilla sa Bradesina, baseline jumper, basket para kay Bradesina. Veronica.
Last 8 minutes and 40 seconds
Oo.
for the final quarter.
Sino papalitan nyo?
Crossover.
Malig all the way. Basket para kay Malig.
Score 74-57. 8 minutes and 25 seconds. 15 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot.
Sarip sa ilalim, kinaliwa. Wala nga lang, nakuha ni
Mr. Coles, 2 points. Mr. Coles. to shoot. Dukot.
Dukot sa ilalim.
First team foul, Republic.
First free throw ni Dukot. No basket.
First throw, no good.
Uy, lumalakas na yung ano.
Last 8 minutes. Step through. Wala.
Dukot for 3. Bang, bang, bang! Para kay Dukot. Alright.
Monica. 15 to shoot. Intercepted by number 17 to Malik. Malik to Padilla.
Padilla lays in. Wala nga lang.
Oops. Same ball.
Malig.
12 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Bradesina, baseline jumper. Wala nga lang.
Iba may Mr. Pahuya. Pahuya. So, Sarip.
Sarip sa ilalim. Wala nga lang.
For 11. To Dukot. Dukot to number 24. To Duhoy.
Intercepted ni number 11.
Sarip.
Sarip, Veronica.
Walang tumatakbo!
Ha? Sino palitan ko, pre?
Walang tumatakbo!
Kailan?
50 seconds.
Sige. Pre, ano daw?
Tinulang natin sa depensa.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Lima kay Sarip. So, 5 star Pahuya. Wow!
Oh.
Basket count for Mr. Pahuya. Reserve sub.
Kailan tayo mag
Reserve sub. Basket count. Jersey number Pahuya. Number 13. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Salang.
Kakuja.
Nagolo kasi, pero kung pasok na yan,
Mga ganyan eh, imbis na kaya pa yung bawin na ganun.
6
Wala na.
20.
Diretso na yung gulong palabas.
Malik cross pass to Dukot. To number 24. Short jumper.
Baba! Walang bumababa!
Veronica.
Baba!
Veronica to Sambas again. 2 points.
Ano?
Mr. Samba.
Walang bumababa!
Malik. Pressure. Oy! Intercepted by Pahuya.
Time out pag pumasok.
Time out. 20 seconds to shoot. Veronica. Mr. Pahuya. 2
Time out.
points. Time out.
Walang bumababa.
Time out. Usa.
Malayo pa yan, malayo pa! Saan mag ano?
Score 77-67. Remaining time 5 minutes 41 for the fourth and final quarter. Back to the ball game. Sana lang. 70 to shoot. Balik ke number 24. 24. Lock number 11. All the way to Veronica.
Walang tumatakbo.
Ah! Block.
Takbo sa depensa. Baba. Agad.
Same ball. 20 seconds to shoot.
Bangkok's best music mix. Radio Thailand.
Veronica for 3. 3 points, Mr. Veronica. Score 77 against 70.
Uy.
4 minutes and 57 seconds.
Depensa. Depensa.
14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2, 1. Good. Lampas. Sarit. Sarit. Last touch by Sarit. Blue ball. Gray ball. Gray ball. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Palit na. Ako na lang.
17 to shoot.
Sub pag ano.
13 to shoot. Jumper. Rebound by number 11. To Pahuya. Pahuya. Pahuya to number 11. 17 to shoot. Sarit. 2 points. Sarit. Mr. Malik to Mr. William Hermosa.
Yeah.
To shoot. Rebound by number 11.
Foul muna. Foul.
To Cole.
Kuha foul. Foul.
To shoot.
Foul.
12 seconds to shoot.
Foul.
8 seconds to shoot. 5.
Ay, traveling.
Mr. Sampas. 10 seconds to shoot.
Foul.
7 seconds to shoot. Counted, Mr. Coles. 4 minutes and 57 seconds. 17 to shoot.
Foul. Kuha foul.
Coles.
Foulin mo.
4-1. Coles. Jump shot. Break.
Ay na, kuha foul eh.
Tayo, time out. Wala, wag.
Wala lang time out.
Sana lang time out mo.
Takuza. 24.
Pilester ba? Sana lang? Sana lang.
17 to shoot. Ah.
Kanya-kanya na eh.
Sabret.
Oh, sub na.
Wait. Foul.
Report muna. Kaya mo na akong report.
Jersey number 21, holding foul. First personal foul.
Oh, sub na.
Foul.
Sub.
Sub. Last 2 minutes and 22
Sige, pahinga ka muna.
Number 17, 2 points.
Balik! Angkap!
79-76. Mr. Samba. 15 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10. 8. 6. 5.
Oy, Anspo.
What's the order? Official call. Number 21, holding foul. First personal foul. Third team foul, Republic. Last 1 minute and 54 seconds. Mr. Malik, 20 to shoot.
Wow.
Mr. Coronica. Coronica. 2 points, Mr. Coronica. Number 17, to Mr. Bailan. Bailan to Dukot. Dukot, 2 points, Dukot. Last 1 minute and 47 seconds. Reserve timeout, Republic. 15 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Intercepted.
Tatlo lang natin.
Diretso, diretso! Balik. Nag-iisa. 2 points. Timeout, Republic. Last 1 minute and 23 seconds.
Woo! Nice na tayo.
83 against
Score 83-78. Time remaining 1 minute and 32 seconds. Para sa ating last and final quarter.
out.
Sarip inbounding the ball. Dakuyak.
12 to shoot. 10 to
Coronica
shoot.
for 3. Air ball. Last 1 minute. Score 83-78.
Go, buha bola, go! Go, buha bola!
17 to shoot.
Screen! Buha bola, go!
12 to shoot.
Pahilan sa ilalim.
Mahuya. Mr. Mahuya. Coronica. To Mahuya again.
Dakuya for 3. Wala.
No good.
Hawak!
Okay. Pre, alalay bola. Alalay bola.
Seconds.
Naku. Sayang. Hindi nawakan yung bola.
To Coronica.
Coronica for 3. Walang halang. Overshoot.
Air ball.
Sarip
Mr. Sarip.
for 3.
Attack.
Walang halang. Hawak bola.
Milan. 25 seconds. Number 17. No good. 2
Down.
points, Mr. Milan.
Bala,
18 seconds. Last 15 seconds.
Oh, panalo na. Alright.
8 seconds. 8 seconds. Blue ball.
8 seconds left para sa ating final
8
quarter.
seconds.
Okay.
No good.
Nice,
4,
nice.
2, 1.
Okay, that's it. Panalo ang Takosa. Alright. Panalo yung team ko.
Congratulations, Miss Tulga.
Hope you see my face and that you be reminded that for me it isn't over.
Shout out kay bro Gary Rodriguez.
Be mindful of your
Alright.
throw to the garbage bin. Thank you, thank you.
Final score natin 85-78. Alright.
Parang nanganap ng isda kanina, di ba? Pasigit kami kay Talo. Meron ka? Okay, natalo namin sila.